Goko ni kwa Kikuyu podcast kuria mwena wa Meru ni kunyitanire hingo iria Rigathi wa Gachagua na team ya United Opposition mekugeragia kuingira kuria thiini wa entrance ya kuingira Meru kana muhaka-ini wa kuingira Meru. Goons ni cikumirite na makageria ku block barabara iyo, magakia matairi egetha Rigathi wa Gachagua na United Opposition matikagerie kuingira Meru. Guys, kwina video ngumikire hau kenda murugwito Mithika Linturi ni aririe muthenya wa ira aragweta goons iria cirabangitwo, goons iria cirehitwo, na in fact thiini wa video iyo Mithika Linturi ni augite atiriri na video ndi mwekireire ati kwina sniper arethetwo akarihwo 100,000 in case I hit one of the United Opposition principles. Yatiriri ekae timu ino ya kanari timu ino desperate atia magire kuingiria Rigathi wa Gachagua and the team. Kitho kiniki ari gukomero otie mundu uramublokire kuingira kuo niki megutumira goons guka gwakia matairi egetha United Opposition matikaingire guku. Niki mena guaya uguo? Guys, it's so unfortunate maundu maria turona no Rigathi wa Gachagua no Rigathi wa Gachagua mamekire sure na maingira Meru, and as we speak no mishamanio yao mena yo kuria Meru kanela cio maria nacio kuria mwena wa Meru, despite goons gutumwo, despite andu kurihwo magire ku disrupt mishamanio wa Rigathi wa Gachagua. Mamekire sure ni maingira Meru, they maugire they cannot be intimidated by anyone. Oni guo kwa thina mbere, ladies and gentlemen. Aya ni Meru News Hub mugitio chaos erupt at Keria on the border of Meru and Tharaka Nithi as tires were burned, blocking the road and preventing opposition leaders including Rigathi wa Gachagua from accessing Meru County. This incident is part of ongoing political tension in the region, with Gachagua's team accusing the government of sending goons to disrupt this rally. Ati uduyu wikikire haria mwaka-ini wa Tharaka Nithi na mwaka-ini wa Meru na Tharaka Nithi, na hau niho ukuona mbica ici cia tairi cigicinwo kana tairi cinitwo egetha Rigathi wa Gachagua and the team matikagerie kuingira kuria mwena wa Meru. Now guys, ungirora timu ino ya United Opposition, as we speak they are united, and the moment they are united they are very little mwenene wa mundu gwitwo Ruto. Ni maramuhura muno na uritu munene. Guys, timu ino ya United Opposition higwa marambiririe kunyitana mwaka uyu magathie region ciothe manyitanite, tomonie kule mwena wa Kisii othe, tomonie uko Nakuru County othe, tomonie mathie kuria Nyeri, Laikipia mayothe, na riu muma kule mwena wa Meru othe. The unity nirahe thirikari ino stress nene muno, na the moment they speak undu ucio ni uroerwo na uritu munene muno. They're becoming very little. Na uo niguo urona Kinara ndaina thayu. That's why urona kuna strategy magerete gutumira, na strategy ino imwe ni muronire wabogo njiri ore reka. Ni muronire higono ati ni ageria ukera mundu gwetwo Fred Matiang'i na kageria kuorithania Fred Matiang'i na Rigathi wa Gachagua egetha gutiga na unity thiini wa United Opposition. Hello damu, ladies and gentlemen. On impeachment ya Gachagua higwere yakikaga. Higwere matumirile mutuse amwite ikamba-ini. Yari njira imwe ya kuhurithania Mugikuyu na Muikamba. Eko mutie mwahinguka maitho. Reke muhingure. They used Akamba ko impeach Rigathi wa Gachagua igetha gutuike atiriri ikamba nirio ria impeach mundu witu, igetha ikamba na Mugikuyu tutikanyitane. But the surprise, Kalonzo na Rigathi wa Gachagua makinyitana, Mugikuyu na Muikamba as we speak, kana andu Mount Kenya na andu Ukambani ni manyitanite na othe memwena wa one term. So the first they wanted to collide mundu wetwa Rigathi wa Gachagua na mundu wetwa Kalonzo kana Mugikuyu na Muikamba. Secondly, kwena igukwa na githagathago kinene muno thiini o unit opposition higono gwatuika kwa na mbara gatagathe ka Natembeya na mundu wetwa Eugene Wamalwa. They are the one who were causing that fight. Igetha gutigakona thayo gatagati ka DAP, igetha Natembeya matikiwa na Eugene Wamalwa, igetha mabe ma weekend team eo ya Kuria Western. Now here comes Matiang'i. Marageria riu gutumira some of these people ametwa methini wa Jubilee kurithania Matiang'i na mundu ugwitwa Rigathi wa Gachagua kwa makiuga aga Jubilee da hana fathi agatia they are trying to make them they are trying kurehe bara gatagati ka mundu ugwitwa Matiang'i na Rigathi wa Gachagua igethe united opposition ndigakorwo inyitanite. They have tried everything. Makaire kurithania Uhuru Rigathi wa Gachagua makiuga Gachagua ni athie mugonda-ini wa Uhuru kwa yake and so on and so forth. They have tried all those tricks kurehe disunity in the opposition na ukarema, because they know when little opposition manyitanite ore manyitanite thaici they are very little, na nikio urona ni matindika must go thaici muno na njira nene muno. As we speak ogirora media de hamwe na must go now niho ninge stress area nene irokira. Ogirora magatheti maitu kana magatheti every day ta Standard ni kugutha regime eno Udingo magauga ati Kinara must go, ati sijui amefanya nini mzuri hapa, sijui manyumba ni aheanire agate. No, ni gukosoa thirikari. Gatheti as we speak gukosoa thirikari, media as we speak ndiri mwena wake. We have in opposition Mamua, and on the other side the media undu ucio ugamuritohera muno. As we speak gatheti umuthi cikuga ati uhoro wa State House uria mongereire matumiro mabia is twice ukirorea Uhuru ari no kuyongera mabilioni mabia kabeshi ciratwarwo. Kinara is facing it in a very bad way. Nake mukuona thaici Kinara nakinyete handu akaruse weight toni kurito united opposition ndamuhe thayo. They're doing all this kurehe gutuma united opposition ndigathi kuri irathi. United opposition is very strong, manyitanite o ni mahota ku inject wega na ni mahota gutindika thirikari ino ngina kona-ini. In fact thaici undu wothe united opposition ikwenda especially kuri kwa IBC mukona IBC makia moko iguru, because united opposition is very powerful. Nimekuwa moko iguru because now ado aige akenya aige memo no wa united opposition mati hamwe na regime ino, and they know. So whatever united opposition will ask to igire thini wa ithurano, IBC no ngina makagwa na meke maundu macio moga matikwenda sida wate nyama icio cia kuigira kia kambuni yo irehaga nyama icio aiko matinda kambuni yo irehe. Definitely IBC no ngina mageka uguo, no ngina marehe kambuni ingi matina kambuni ira irahe tunyamu tuguo ritoro ni kura riro. By the way ritoro ni kura riro no ngina, because the unity is very important. The unity ni atindika thirikari ino na njira nene muno, nikio mareno urona makoto makienda kumahurithania. And I want to podcast mwone manyo Michael, you know. Thank you, God bless you guys. This is what it is. Kwani iko nini? Thank you.